Welcome aboard, fellow cruisers. Today we're setting sail on an unforgettable 7-day adventure through the Western Caribbean on the Royal Caribbean Symphony of the Seas. Join us as we explore everything from boarding tips to an exclusive stateroom tour of a standard balcony room, and I'll give you some insider tips to help you make the most of your first day aboard the ship. Let's get started. The Symphony of the Seas is one of Royal Caribbean's largest and most innovative ships, and it offers an unparalleled cruising experience for guests on the 7-day Western Caribbean itinerary out of Miami. With a capacity of over 6,000 guests, the ship is a floating city, packed with an array of amenities and activities on board. From world-class dining and entertainment to thrilling onboard attractions like the Ultimate Abyss Slide, the Flow Rider Surf Simulator, and they even have an ice skating rink on board. There is something for everyone. During our week-long cruise, we visited some of the most beautiful destinations in the Caribbean, including Royal Caribbean's private island, Coco Cay, Nassau, Bahamas, Falmouth, Jamaica, and Labadee, which is Royal Caribbean's private Haitian paradise. Alright, let's jump into everything you need to know for Embarkation Day. So the Royal Caribbean Embarkation Process is designed to be smooth and efficient, although it can be a bit busy, especially on popular sailing days. Upon arriving at the terminal, you'll first check in at one of the kiosks or counters to present your passport or ID and your set sail pass, which you can complete online ahead of time. After check-in, there's a quick security screening. This is similar to airport security before you can head into your boarding area. To streamline this process, it's helpful to have your documents ready and to arrive during your assigned embarkation window that's listed on your set sail pass. Royal Caribbean has organized several embarkation groups, with the earlier groups boarding first, so make sure to check in as early as possible for the best chance to board sooner. Once you're cleared, you'll enter the terminal's grand atrium, where the excitement builds as you catch your first glimpse of the ship. The whole process typically takes around 30 minutes to an hour, depending on crowds, but it's well organized, and before you know it, you'll be stepping on the beautiful Symphony of the Seas. Here's a game-changing tip. When it comes to getting an early boarding group, try checking in as soon as possible when it opens online, usually around 45 days prior to your cruise. The earlier you check in, the better your boarding group time. Trust me, you want to be in one of those first groups, especially if you're eager to enjoy the ship's amenities on day one. As you board the ship, just get ready for your first jaw-dropping moment when you step onto the Royal Promenade. This is just the beginning of your amazing journey. After you board the ship, one of the first things you're going to want to do is head to your assigned muster station for the mandatory safety drill. But don't worry, this process has become much easier and much more streamlined, especially if you've watched the safety video ahead of time via the Royal Caribbean app. Watching the video before you board means you're already familiar with the procedures and you can breeze right through the drill. Once on board, just head to your muster station, which will be clearly marked with signs. Instead of standing in a long line to check in, simply open the Royal Caribbean app on your phone and a crew member will scan your digital muster station check-in. In just seconds, you're done and you can continue exploring the ship and relaxing. Now, on the first day of your cruise, there is a lot to explore. Once you're on board, you can start by taking a quick walk around the ship, grab a drink at one of the bars, check out the shops for some cruise essentials, or stop by guest services for any last-minute questions about your itinerary or to make reservations. As you're getting the lay of the land aboard the ship, it's important to know that the Symphony of the Seas is divided into 7 incredible neighborhoods, each offering a unique experience. The Royal Promenade is the ship's lively heart, which is full of the shops and cafes and bars where guests can stroll and shop and socialize. If you want a serene escape, Central Park offers lush greenery, peaceful walks, and gourmet dining among real trees and plants. Next up is the Boardwalk, which brings a fun, family-friendly vibe with a classic carousel, arcade, and casual dining spots like Johnny Rockets. For all of you thrill seekers, the Pool and Sports Zone features all of your pools and water slides and the famous Flow Rider Surf Simulator. Next up is Entertainment Place, which is the place for world-class shows, ice skating performances, and all of the vibrant nightlife. For wellness and relaxation, they have the Vitality Spa and Fitness Center. This is where you can find luxurious treatments and state-of-the-art workout facilities. Finally, the Youth Zone is a paradise for kids and teens with the Adventure Ocean Kids Club water parks and hangout spaces. The Adventure Ocean Kids Club is an exciting, safe space where your kids can enjoy a wide range of fun activities, all supervised by trained staff. From arts and crafts to science experiments and themed parties, and even video game zones, there's something for every age group to enjoy, whether they're toddlers, tweens, or teens. The registration process is easy and convenient. As soon as you board, head over to the Adventure Ocean registration desk to sign up your kids. Here you will complete a quick form with essential details and any special requirements your child may have. With that registration out of the way, you can feel confident knowing your kids are in good hands, giving you the freedom to relax while they are off having fun. If you're feeling hungry, you can head over to the Windjammer Cafe for the buffet or check out the Solarium Bistro for a more relaxed atmosphere. Keep in mind that while your room might not be ready immediately, there is plenty to do on board to keep you entertained while you wait for your room. The Windjammer Cafe is the ship's expansive, casual buffet-style restaurant, offering a wide variety of international dishes on a relaxed and vibrant setting. It's the perfect spot for breakfast, lunch, and dinner, with options ranging from fresh salads and made-to-order omelets to global cuisine like pasta, Asian stir-fry, and carving stations. It's an open, airy space designed to accommodate a large number of guests, making it a convenient choice for a quick and satisfying meal. Whether you're in the mood for a light bite or a full spread, Windjammer has something for every taste. Plus, it's a great place to grab a snack throughout the day, offering everything from pastries to fruit and more. With its casual atmosphere and abundant choices, and those great ocean views, the Windjammer Cafe is a go-to spot for cruisers who are looking for variety and convenience. If you're traveling with kids, the pool deck is the place to be. You can splash away in the water slides or just relax in the hot tubs while you wait for your luggage to arrive. If you're a thrill seeker, you can also check out the Ultimate Abyss slide or the Flow Rider. Once your staterooms are ready, they will make an onboard announcement, and then you can go to your stateroom to pick up your SeaPass cards and your luggage and get settled into your room. Keep in mind that the SeaPass cards serve multiple functions throughout your cruise. They act as your room key, your payment method for onboard purchases, and a way to access various areas of the ship. SeaPass cards are issued to all guests at embarkation, and they're linked to your onboard account, which you can settle at the end of your cruise. During our cruise, we chose a standard balcony room, and it was spacious and cozy and perfect for our cruise getaway. Our room included a king-size bed with plenty of storage, as well as a pull-out trundle bed for our kids, a flat-screen TV, and a compact bathroom that was small but functional with a shower, sink, and shelves. And the best part, honestly, was the balcony. This is where you're going to want to spend your mornings sipping coffee and taking in the beautiful ocean views. Trust me, the fresh air and views are worth it. Looky here. Got our little kids safety and our kids safety wristbands for the Kids Adventure Club, and that's also for safety. So if your kids were to get lost, they can always find a crew member and get back to their parents. This is pretty spacious though, Dave. I mean, hey, we got storage on both sides of the bed. Good sized bed here. And then we've got the little kind of living room area. This is a trundle bed that pulls out for the kids, so you can sleep another two more here. And then our little desk and mirror and storage area back here. And then our balcony. All right, so starting from the bed, you'll see they've got tiny little kind of end tables on either side of the bed with a little lamp here with a little light switch under there. So you can turn these on over there. And it gives you tiny little storage shelf. And then you've got wardrobes on both sides of the bed too. So you've got hangers, you've got shelf space, you've got your room safe, and you've got additional drawers down here below. Decent size there. That's good space. And then space underneath the beds too for slipping your suitcases underneath the bed, which is nice. And you'll see the same thing over here. You do have an outlet on the wall. You've got a way to turn off the room light here as well, and then your little side lamp. And then another wardrobe here. This one, instead of having the built-in shelves, is kind of for your longer clothing. Got 2 racks there. Lots of hangers. You can store lots of clothes. And here, as you're coming in the room, there's also a full-length mirror. I really appreciate that. It's nice to have. Got a little TV here, kind of built into the wall across from the bed. But that works. And then it's got like a little kind of storage nook below it. Then you've got your desk space, a little trash can. This is where you've got all your built-in electrical outlets. So you plug in here, you've got a USB, a micro USB, and then 3 plugs there, and another switch.
This is actually quite a bit improved from most cruise ships still, because they actually have 3 plugs instead of just 1.
Yes.
They have 1 plug, and it actually has that's a USB-C, so it's very modern.
Yes, very modernized, which is nice. And another nice mirror. Hello, Dave. And then I like this too. You've got a whole kind of drawer, other set of drawers down here. This is where you've got your hair dryer, some Kleenex. We've got a folder with information. This is all your breakfast. And if you want to get room service, you can have those details here. You can hang this out if you want to get waters, soft drinks, sports and energy drinks. Hang that on the door. You can have those delivered to your room. Same thing with the breakfast menu. This is a complimentary option with just basically with a kind of a room service fee for the room delivery. So, but you can request these and just put them outside with your desired delivery time, your room number and your number of guests, and then they will bring you whatever selections you choose from. There's continental breakfast options, juices, beverages, bakery like toast, donuts, muffins, jams, jellies, cereals, fruits, yogurts. And then your American breakfast too, so you can get a hot breakfast, eggs, omelets, got buttermilk pancakes and different sides, hash browns, bacon, sausage, mimosas, and Bloody Marys as well. So again, if you want to request those, you can just stick that on your door with your selections and your time, and then they will have that brought to you. And then we've got 3 more drawers here, which is nice because we're going to need a lot of stuff, a lot of storage space to put some things away, which is nice. Really like that. And down here is your little cooler. It is not a mini fridge, but it is a cooler. So there's no freezer's capacity. It will keep, drinks cool in here, but don't consider that a refrigerator. So now Dave is going to demonstrate the trundle bed here for us. They do this for you for turn down service in the evenings. They will bring out, but here it shows you how easy it is. It just pulls out the little bed, and then that flips up. So we'll show you later what that looks like at turn down service. Got the 2 little beds for the kids.
So here's the bed once they make it. So it just kind of pulls out there. Perfect for our kids. They're 7 and 11. Yeah, it's nice. And then it makes into a nice couch.
Our balcony. So, and this is just of course, it's just a standard room. But you'll see they have the open and lock position of the doors. So up is open and down is locked. So you just turn the handle. That releases the door, and then you can slide it open. And then you've got basically 2 kind of lounge kind of deck chairs out here and then a little table. We're still at port, so we don't have much of a view yet. You see all the ships lined up here at port. We'll show you the views later. Something else that's nice to know is that you can bring on complimentary your own alcohol on board the ship. 1 bottle of alcohol per adult. So we actually, our friends brought on some bottles for us as well. So we were able to bring 4 bottles this trip. That's nice because you can bring that to dinner and then enjoy some of your own wine you brought from home. So yeah, but overall, what do you think, Dave? What are your thoughts?
I mean, if you're used to a cruise ship, this is kind of nice because it's actually doesn't seem so tight. There's a lot tighter rooms.
Yes.
This works very well. You can actually get your clothes pretty well put away. It's a nice space for the kids with a couch. This TV is actually a real TV. It's smaller than what we're obviously used to at home, but they used to be like, you know, that big. So this is nice, and it's pretty modern compared to, this is still a very new ship. A lot of nice, a lot of nice, you know, touches to it.
Right. They've really tried to help you maximize space. They've got modern amenities, electronics. Yeah, it's pretty nice and up to date. All right, let's show the bathroom. Oh, and here's your you basically, you can just your room thermostat, so you can go cooler to warmer and kind of make those adjustments as you like to. All right, and here's a look at the bathroom. Again, these are small. There's hooks on the wall here for towels, and you've got kind of a, rather than a shower curtain, I actually like this. It's kind of a curved glass door here for your standing shower. They've got little bars there, little racks. You do have like a body wash container there. It is a detachable shower head there. And then you've got your toilet here. There is some shelving on the side here and a large mirror. That's pretty nice. And you've got a single sink and then more storage and trash down below. So hey, they fit it all in here, and you've got your towels over here on this wall. So, I mean, they're small, they're tiny, but it gives you just enough to do what you need to in here. So I actually like the glass shower door versus the curtain. Nice. Now let's talk about the Royal Caribbean app. This is going to be your best friend on the ship. You'll use it for everything from making dinner reservations to checking the daily schedule of activities. One of the best features is that you can look at the daily activity schedule and book your spots for shows and specialty dining and even shore excursions directly from your phone. Whether you're into Broadway-style shows or cooking classes or a behind-the-scenes tour of the ship, it's all in here. A pro tip is you can make your specialty dining reservations as soon as you board or even before the cruise, as the most popular spots can book up quickly. Don't forget to check the app frequently for pop-up events or last-minute deals. For example, on our recent cruise over the week of Thanksgiving, Royal was running lots of Black Friday specials prior to our cruise, so we were able to enjoy some great discounts on specialty dining, drink packages, Wi-Fi, and more. We hope you enjoy coming along with us on this amazing cruise adventure. Stay tuned for our upcoming videos, where we will dive into all the amazing activities you can enjoy on board, from the incredible entertainment to the thrilling excursions in the Western Caribbean ports. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe if you want to see more of this amazing cruise experience, and stay tuned for our next video of our perfect day at Coco Cay for more fun in the sun. Until then, everyone, happy cruising.